Welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about how I continue to day trade after being negative $10,000 and 3 years into trading. So in my previous two videos, I talked about how I am not profitable after 3+ years of trading, and also I'm down $10,000. So how do I continue to get on the charts every single day, to continue to consume more trading content, and to even start making YouTube videos about this? I haven't made any money, and yet I still love this with my heart. How do I continue every day to keep going at this? So that's what this video is going to be about. I made a little slideshow. Gratitude in trading. I remember when it was like 8th grade, maybe freshman year of high school. And I remember very vividly, I was in the car with my mom and I told her, I want to be a day trader. I told her that I wanted to be a day trader. I don't know where I got that from. I don't know. Maybe I saw something on the internet. Maybe I was like looking at Instagram and that popped up. Somehow I was watching YouTube videos, or somehow I wanted to be a day trader. I didn't even know what that looked like. I thought I was going to be trading stocks or some shit. I am so grateful for this opportunity to day trade. This is literally everything that I've wanted within day trading. Being able to sit at the fucking charts and watch candles move and enter into a position to make money. It is exactly what I fucking dreamed about. And I'm so grateful. I'm in the position where I'm actually learning to be a day trader, to have this be a career path of mine. I love this shit with my whole heart. I would never stop. Even though I'm not making any money, I still fucking love this shit. Seeing personal development. I have still seen so much growth within myself. Not only within my trading, but within who I am as a person, my mindset, my psychology, everything. I've seen so much fucking growth within myself. Even trading, yeah, I haven't made any money, but looking back to when I started, to when I fucking blew 2.5K in stupid options contracts, looking back then to who I am now, the trader that I am now, it is rewarding. I don't fucking care that I haven't made any money. It's fucking so rewarding to see the growth within myself. Trading will show you your weakest points of yourself and show you that you need to grow. And I was a little bitch before. I complained about life. And now I'm so grateful for this life that I live and all the opportunities that I have. I remember I used to fucking cry to myself and ask, why me? Why am I so alone? And then I realized that that's such a fucking pussy way to think. I'm so grateful for every opportunity that I've been given in this life. And there's no reason to be fucking pity, to be fucking such a baby over these little obstacles that are in my way. Who cares if trading takes 3 fucking years? Who cares if it takes 5 years? Some people don't even get the opportunity to do this. Most people don't get the opportunity to do this. There's other people living in third world countries that don't have any chance to make money online. There was fucking slaves not that long ago. There was slaves who worked their ass off and had no chance of seeing any growth. They worked every single hour of the waking day, and there was no chance to get better. I am so lucky to be able to do this. You're so lucky to even be watching this video. If you have a computer, a phone, some type of technological device that you're watching this on, be grateful for what you have. Because this is such an opportunity for you to grow. The dream of being a day trader, the freedom that it gives you is so fucking freeing. You spend 1 to 2 hours a day. You wake up, okay, so you have to go to bed early and you wake up early. Then you spend 1 to 2 hours a day day trading and you're done for the rest of your day. With this extremely high leverage skill, 1 to 2 hours at the start of your day, then you have the whole rest of your day to do whatever the fuck you want. Whatever the fuck you want. And trading opens up so many paths because of that. You have more chances to start. You can start another business. You can find other ways to make income. You can invest in a long term. You can invest in real estate. You can find other things to do that you enjoy. And you get the weekends off too. You don't have to fucking worry about anything on the weekends. It's a fucking dream life. If this is not what you fucking, if this is not your vision for trading, then I don't know if you'll make it. You've got to want this shit so bad. And you've got to be able to grow as a person to get there. I love day trading so much. I fucking love it, man. Where would I be without trading? So, I mean, I would be in a college classroom, even though I still am going to college, but I'd be in a college classroom going to be a financial advisor. So, I would be fucking stuck at a desk, picking out stocks, picking out low risk stocks for people to invest in. I would be managing other people's money for a living. AI can already do that 100 times better than I could ever do that. I can go to fucking ChatGPT and have it write me a whole investment plan right now. And it can collect way more data than I ever could. I would basically just be using the company's reports. I would get the company's reports on their not very risky stocks, and then I'd tell my clients to buy those. That seems like such a fucking, like, that doesn't seem like what I want to do personally. I don't want to do that. And trading gets me away from that. It's not what I want to do. Maybe it is what you want to do, but that does not sound like fun to me. I want to be my own boss. I don't want to be fucking working for somebody and have them tell me when I can take vacation and when I can't. With day trading, I can trade from anywhere in the fucking world. Anywhere. I can trade from anywhere in the world at any time that I want. I can take a vacation and make money at the same time. Isn't that fucking beautiful? I can't envision something better than day trading. I can't envision a better career than day trading. It's 1 to 2 hours a day. That's all it takes. Yes, you have to be mentally prepared and you will go through a lot of hardship, but it's so worth it. I don't even care what it takes to get there. I will do this. I want this so bad. And I have fucking delusional belief in myself. Like, I literally believe I can do anything I put my mind to. That's why I made this fucking YouTube channel. I believe I can grow this shit. Because I'm not going to stop working. I'm going to continue to work as hard as I can to grow this. And I'm going to be making better content. Every single time I make a video, I'm going to make better content with better thumbnails, with better editing. And I'm going to grow this. Right now I'm a pet sitter. I made my own website and I already have all my own clients. I have like 12 clients. Did that by myself. I tried a lot of things to get money online before I came across day trading. I tried Shopify. I tried, what is that shit called? Drop shipping on Shopify. I tried making YouTube channels and getting monetization that way. I tried selling clothes. I tried selling sneakers, like using the sneaker bots to buy the fucking Travis Scott shoes and sell them. And then I came across day trading. And now I believe with my whole heart that I can do this shit. And I believe that's what you have to do to be successful in this life. Not only in day trading, but in this life in general, is have just stupid amounts of belief in yourself. Now, that's not to say you should be delusional and think that you don't have to put the work in and you're going to get there anyways. But delusional belief in the fact that if you put enough work in and you believe in yourself every day and you keep going at it every day, that you can get there, that you know you can get there eventually. That's delusional belief. And you've got to have it. You've got to have delusional belief and a growth mindset, and you can do anything in this life. So, that's all that I have to say. Yeah. Do you want this shit? Like, if you're coming into day trading because you want to be a day trader, do you want this shit? Because I know that after I lost $2,500, I still wanted to be a day trader. That shit stung like a motherfucker, but I knew that this was my dream and that I was not going to stop. That's why I spent $4,000. When I had $4,600 in my bank account, I spent $4,200 of it on a mentor, on day trading, because I wanted this shit. I want this to be my life. Who fucking cares about the fucking stupid cars and the watches and all that fucking monetary stuff? This is a life. This is a great life you can live by pursuing it with day trading. That's why I do this. That's why I haven't given up. So, that's all for this video. If you share the same vision, the same dream that I do, keep going. Don't fucking give up. The only way that you genuinely fail at this shit is if you give up. That's when you actually fail, is when you stop trying and you stop trying to go even harder. You just give up. That's when you actually fail. When you lose a trade, that's not failing. When you lose 10 trades in a row, that's not failing. Those are just lessons to learn. But when you give up, that is real failure. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want more trading content. I'm going to be posting even more. And like this video. Thank you for watching, and peace out.